Next we have to continue third year maths, and then subject is real analysis 1 theorem. If f a tends to b and x contains a, comma y contains a, then f of x union y equal to f of x union f of y. The image of the union of two sets is the union of the images. Proof: if b belongs to f of x union y, then b equal to f of a for some a belongs to x union y. Either a belongs to x or a belongs to y. Thus either b belongs to f of x or b belongs to f of y. Hence b belongs to f of x union f of y, which shows f of x union y contains f of x union f of y. Conversely, if c belongs to f of x union f of y, then either c belongs to f of x or c belongs to f of y. Then c is the image of some point in x, or c is the image of some point in y. Hence c is the image of some point in x union y, that is c belongs to f of x union y. So f of x union f of y contains f of x union y. Next definition: the composition of functions. If f a tends to b and b tends to c, then we define the function g composite f by g composite f of x equal to g into f of x. X belongs to a, that is the image of x under g composite f is defined to be the image of f of x under g. Thus the function g composite f is called the composition of f with g. Thus g composite f a tends to c. For example, if f of x is equal to 1 plus sin x minus infinity less than x less than infinity, g of x is equal to x squared. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than infinity, then g composite of f x equal to 1 plus 2 into sin x plus sin square x minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Next one, real valued functions. Definition: if f a tends to r and g a tends to r, we define f plus g as the function whose value at x belongs to a is equal to f of x plus g of x, that is f plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x. X belongs to a. In set notation, f plus g equal to x comma f of x plus g of x given x belongs to a. It is clear that f plus g colon a tends to r. Similarly, we define f minus g and fg by f minus g of x equal to f of x minus g of x. X belongs to a. fg of x equal to f of x into g of x. X belongs to a. Finally, if g of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to a, we can define f by g of x equal to f of x divides g of x comma x belongs to a. The sum, difference, product and quotient of two real valued functions with the same domain are again real valued functions. If f a tends to b comma g of a tends to b, there is no way to define f plus g unless there is a plus operation in caps B. Next definition, if f a tends to r and c is a real number, c belongs to caps R, the function cf is defined by cf of x equal to c into f of x, comma x belongs to a. Thus the value of 3f at x is 3 times the value of f at x. Definition, if f a tends to r, g a tends to r, then the maximum of f comma g is the function defined by maximum of f comma g of f x equal to maximum of x comma g of x. X belongs to a, and minimum of f comma g is the function defined by minimum of f comma g of x equal to minimum of x comma g of x. X belongs to a. Thus if f of x equal to sin x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2, g of x equal to cos x 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2, and h equal to maximum of f comma g, h of x is equal to cos x 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to pi by 4, x equal to sin x pi by 4 is less than or equal is less than x is less than or equal to pi by 2. Next definition, if f a tends to r, then modulus of f is the function defined by modulus of f into x equal to modulus of f of x. X belongs to a. If a comma b are real numbers, the formula, 4 formulas. First one is maximum of a comma b equal to modulus of a minus b plus a plus b dividing by 2. Next, minimum of a comma b equal to minus of modulus of a minus b plus a plus b dividing by 2. Next, maximum of f comma g equal to modulus of f minus g plus f plus g dividing by 2. Next, minimum of f comma g equal to minus modulus of f minus g plus f plus g dividing by 2 for real valued functions f comma g. Next definition, if a contains s, then zeta a, called the characteristic function of caps A, is defined as zeta of a of x equal to 1, x belongs to a, zeta of a of x equal to 0, x belongs to a dash. The set caps A is characterized by zeta of a. So caps A equal to caps B if and only if zeta of A equal to zeta of B, where caps A comma caps B are subsets of caps S. Zeta of A union B equal to maximum of zeta of A comma zeta of B. Equation number 1, zeta of A intersection B equal to minimum of zeta of A comma zeta of B equal to zeta of A comma zeta of B. So zeta of A minus B equal to zeta of A minus zeta of B, provided B contains A. So zeta of A dash equal to 1 minus zeta of A star. next zeta of s equal to 1, next zeta of mt equal to 0. Suppose x belongs to a union b, then x of a union b of x equal to 1, zeta of a union b of x equal to 1, but either x belongs to a or x belongs to b or both, and so either zeta of a of x equal to 1 or zeta of b of x is equal to 1, thus maximum of zeta of a comma zeta of b of x equal to 1. Thank you, students.